I'm going to show you a visual representation of the hierarchy of resource groups, subscriptions, and management groups for the AZ900 exam. Here you can see at the top you've got the management group, which is going to be the root group, and then any sub-management groups underneath it. Then you have subscriptions. After that, you've got resource groups and then resources. Remember that resources can only exist in one resource group at a time. Let's see how well you remember the hierarchy for the AZ900 exam. Starting with management groups. Management groups are at the top for governing multiple different subscriptions. Do you know what comes next? The next thing is subscriptions for billing and resource containers that live inside the management group above it. After that, we've got resource groups. These are logical containers. Remember that term, logical containers for related Azure resources like virtual machines, databases, storage, and others. And finally, the resources themselves, the storage accounts, the virtual machines, they all live inside resources. Once you realize this hierarchy and have it memorized and understood, this part of the AZ900 should not be a challenge during your exam.